Hello and welcome to this second video in this series on coordinate geometry as part of the OCR Additional Maths course. And in this video we're going to be focusing on the equation of a circle. So the general equation of a circle then is as follows. So it is x minus a squared added to y minus b squared equals r squared, where AB is the centre of the circle and r is the radius. So if we look then at these two questions, we're asked to find the coordinate of the centre of each circle and the length of the radius. So the first one is fairly easy because it's already in the format that we've just gone through at the top. So A has the value of 2, B has the value of -3, R, or R squared I should say, has the value of 25, and therefore the centre is 2, -3, and radius is 5 units. Okay. So this second one then, well, it's much more problematic in this case to find the coordinates of the centre and the length of the radius because it's not in the right format. So we're going to have to rearrange it so that it is. And the method we're going to use is completing the square. So I'm just going to look at the x squared plus 10x. And I'm going to complete the square there. So I'm going to half the coefficient of x, which is 5. That in brackets squared, and then I subtract that coefficient squared. I'm going to do the same for y. So I half the coefficient of y, square, subtract that squared, and the -10 can just remain on the end. And now I'm just going to simplify this. So x plus 5 squared minus 25 added to y minus 1 squared minus 1 minus 10 is 0. So now I can collect all those constants together. I'm going to put it at the end. So -25, -1, -10 makes -36. I can then add 36 to both sides. And now it's in the format that the first question was in. So I can say my centre is therefore -5, 1, and my radius is √36, which is 6. So here are a couple of very, very similar questions for you to have a go at. And there are the answers. And then here's two sets of questions for you to have a go at. So set A is not quite like the questions we looked at before. This time you have the information and it's writing it out as an equation. And then set B is what we were just looking at a moment ago. And then here are the answers.